Hello everyone, welcome to my programming club. Today we will be solving another daily lead code challenge, and the challenge name is find original array of prefix XOR. So you are given an integer array prefix of size n, and you have to return the array that would have resulted in the prefix array that is given to us. For example, if let's say this is the prefix array, so how the prefix array is being made is described in the problem. Prefix of I is nothing but XOR of all the indices starting from 0 to the ith index of the original array. So in this particular question, you have to return the original array that would have resulted in the given prefix array. Okay, and let's have a look at the constraints also. The prefix length is of order 10 raised to power 5, and the given values of prefixes are from 0 to 10 raised to power 6. So to solve this particular problem, what we will do is we will use the properties of XOR. Uh, Basically, let's say prefix I was given to be array of I, array of 0, and we will continue till array of 1, array of I. Okay. So all the uh, elements of array, we will XOR them. XOR all elements from 0th to ith index. Okay. So if we want to find out the ith number, this number, then how can we do so? It can be achieved by array of ith index, or the element at ith index in the original array. So somehow if we can get rid of this part, then we are only left with this element. So to get rid of this part is nothing but prefix of I minus 1. Here it will be array of I minus 1. Okay, and these all will be XORs. So from 0th index to I minus 1th index, it will be prefix of I minus 1. So to get this particular element, and this whole represents this complete prefix of I. So array of I will be nothing but prefix of I XOR prefix of I minus 1, provided that this I minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. It's within the bounds of the indices, within the bounds of array, within bounds of array. Okay, so this is what we will be doing. You may ask how we got this, because when you will XOR these two, uh, it will be nothing but array of 0 to XORing everything to array of I, and prefix of I minus 1 will be array of 0 XORing everything till array of I minus 1. So if you XOR, when same values are XORed, the answer is 0. So A XOR A is 0. Okay, this property will be used, and 0 XOR A will be A. Okay, these two properties of XOR will be used. So these terms will cancel out each other. Okay, and only thing that will be remaining will be uh, this particular element. Okay, so this is the logic. These two properties are being used. So let's solve the problem. First we will capture the size of the prefix array. Then we will declare our original array for say vector of same size as that of prefix array. And then we will do a single traversal of the prefix array and form our original array. Okay. So what was the formula for the ith index of original array? It was if your index is greater than -1, index -1 basically. If there is a previous index, then what you will do is, in that case, it will be prefix of index XOR prefix of previous index. Okay. And else it will be, if that's not the case, there is no element on left hand side in prefix array, then it will be index only. Okay. So this is how we will be forming the original array, and then we will return it. Okay. Uh, this condition is for checking the boundaries. Okay. So extracting current element by XORing the prefix and previous prefix. Okay. Also keeping check on the bounds of index. Also keeping check for limits on index. Okay. So let's try to submit for sample test cases before submitting for final evaluation. As you can see, it's getting accepted for sample test cases. Let's try to submit for final evaluation. As you can see, it's getting accepted. So it can be easily converted in Java also. Just a few modifications and it will be running fine. Here instead of vector, array will be there, and its size will be okay. So yeah, I think it should be getting accepted. Let's try. Yeah, it's getting accepted here also. Let's submit for final evaluation. As you can see, it's getting accepted for final evaluation also. So This is how we will be solving the problem. Okay. So thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask them in the comment section. I will be more than happy to answer them. So thanks again.